Alright, so got the Hero 8. Looks like it's raining. About to. Dude's cutting the grass at the park, but let's see if we can get a pack in just to kind of test the settings. And then we'll skedaddle. Okay, so thoughts, if you can see me, I don't know because the ISO and all that, but that was on a decent quad, Betaflight 4.1. It does have a little bit of oscillations. I'll make a video about that. Just in a nutshell, they fucked up. That footage was on the GoPro 8 with Hypersmooth 2.0 enabled. Flat color balance and all that, sharpness on low, so I'll edit that a little bit in post. But the quad was also, so it's two new things. The quad is on 4.1, Betaflight 4.1. It's not the smoothest flying. I've had to change a lot. I wasn't really happy. I'm happy with the way 4.1 feels, but not really how it performs. Like, to get rid of the prop wash and all that, that you have to disable all these filters. Well, now I'm getting oscillations. It's like, and they changed everything, like the P terms. If I change P roll, for example, by 5 points, it feels like I change it by 25 points on the old system, whereas if I'm changing I by 20 points, I don't feel a difference. So I'll make a video on that. I flashed it on a fresh build that was flying so perfect on 4.0 with no prop wash anyway, and not only did it give it prop wash, it gave it oscillations when I tried to get rid of the prop wash. It's just a disaster. Yeah, the motors are cool with zero filtering, but that's not, that's like is that your benchmark now that you're trying to hit? So anyway, but I guess the short of it is, if you go into the I'll just give it away here, fuck it, because who knows when I'll make a video. Go into BL Heli, take your motor PWM off of 48K. So 48K runs smoother, but not if you have bidirectional D-shot sending it back and forth, because you lose your sync. So you need to be on 24K, you need to have motor timing on auto, you need to go into the Betaflight TPAs on 1250 stock, which is crazy. Put it on 1800. If you don't want to go that high, put it on at least 1650. I brought my I-terms down. I brought the I-term cutoff from 20 to 10. I brought the D-mins up a little bit, or just turn them off if you want. Bring your P's up, your I's down, TPA up. Anyway, I guess I do have to make a video on that. Peace! Mark Spatz, where you at? Peace!